Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
So in this video I am going to show you how you can have moving text on your videos in Premiere Pro, just like the one you saw in the clip. First of all, you need some kind of font or text. So you're going to open your web browser and you're going to open this website. Its name is 1001fonts.com. I basically use this website to get most of the fonts because they have a large variety of fonts and you can use them for free. So from this website you can browse any fonts from the categories or anywhere else, or you can just simply swipe down and check the font. Let's try this one. You can choose the font that best suits your video. So I'm liking this font, and if I scroll down here it says download. I'm going to press on download. It's downloading it. It has completed the download. Let me open the download folder. Here it is. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it on the desktop. You don't have to do this step. It's in a RAR file, so I have to right click on it and I have to extract it. I'm going to extract it here. You need to have WinRAR for this purpose. Here is the folder and here are the texts. So press on it. Here it says install. Okay, I have already installed it, but I'm going to install it again just for you guys. Do you want to replace it? Yes. Okay, it's done. Now for the lower one, install. Yes. So it's going to be installed on all your applications like Premiere Pro, Photoshop, Lightroom, Illustrator, and even Microsoft Word. So once it has installed, you're going to open your Word document. I'm going to open Microsoft Word. Now in this we are going to type the actual lyrics or any text that you want to have moving on your video. Blank document. First of all, I am going to go on to layout, present on the left top. Press on it. Here it says size. Press on it. I have A4 page on my printer, so I'm going to select A4. You can select whatever page size do you have, and the orientation will be in landscape. That is very important. Now we're going to go to home. Now we're going to write anything. I'm just going to write the text that will be flowing on the video. For example, let's make the text float. Control A to select all. Here I'm going to just find the text that I have installed. I know the name, so let me just do it. Here it is, Bennett Free. I'm going to enlarge it so that it can be printed from the printer easily and we can further execute the process. Okay, I think that's enough. I have set the text size to 90 and I'm going to center align it. Now thing that's around in the center of the page. Now what I have to do for each individual moving text, you have to print each individual page, meaning that let's make the text will float in one part of the video. Now if the next part contains hey how are you, then you have to type it and you have to print it in a separate page. And also you have to be careful, and it is very important that you make the text color black and the background white, which will be the page color. It is very important in order for it to work in Premiere Pro. So I'm just going to type all the text that I want for the video, and then we are going to print it.
Casting on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
So I have finished all the text that I want to appear in my video. So now I'm just going to print it on my printer. Again, the text should be black and the background should be white. So let's just print it. So you're going to start your recording and you're going to record each page of your text. So the important thing is that all of the white background should appear and the text as well in your camera, whatever camera you are using. So as you move your text in this video, the same motion will be used in Premiere Pro. So if you're moving the text up and down, then in Premiere Pro the text will also be moving up and down. If you're moving forward and backward, the same will be done in Premiere Pro. So be sure of how you are moving your text in the video. So I'm just going to make individual videos of all the pages, and then we are going to move towards Premiere Pro. So once you have made the video of all the text, so let's move towards the actual editing. Here I have a project open in Premiere Pro. Now I am going to import all the text videos. Here they are, 1 to 7. Open. It's importing the files. I'm going to drag and drop on my timeline. I'm going to right click on them. Here it says unlink. Now I'm going to select the bottom and I'm going to delete, as I don't want any audio in them. So now what you're going to do, you're going to go to effects. Here you're going to type invert, and under video effects channel, here it is invert. You're going to drag and drop it on your first text video clip. You can see the text has turned white and the page has turned black. If it is not still clearly full white and the page has not turned black, you can go to the color panels. Here you're going to set the contrast to the highest value, the highlights to the lowest value, and the shadows to the lowest value. In this way your text is clear and your background is almost dark. You can increase the whites from here as well. So you have to do it for all the audio video clips. So once you have done that, you're going to go again on your editing panel. Here you can see opacity and under it says blend mode. Here it is normal. You're going to set it to screen. So now once you have done that, you're going to drag and drop on the upper side of whichever clip you want the text to be. For example, I want it to be here, so I'm just going to place it, and now I'm just going to play it. You can see that the text is moving in the way I made the video. So now I am going to do it for all of these text and I am going to paste them. So this is how you can add a moving text in Premiere Pro. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions, write them in the comment section below.